Can I show you how to get your first 100 print-on-demand sales so fast it almost feels illegal? Even if you are a total beginner, have no store, no audience, or no sales, I am about to prove that these 5 strategies work. Not just because I've used them myself. When I launched my Shopify print-on-demand brand back in July of 2023, I hit 100 sales in just 9 days. But more importantly, I've seen dozens of others inside of my community do the same, applying these tactics and getting results way faster than they ever imagined. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through all 5 steps so that you can copy them, apply them, and finally get the momentum that you've been waiting for. So step number 1 is that you need to pick a niche. But I don't mean just pick any niche out there. Pick one that you're actually a part of, one that you live and breathe. This is going to make marketing feel 10 times more authentic, and you will intuitively understand your audience. But that's not all. We're going to go deeper than most sellers ever do. So in order to do this, you're going to go to ChatGPT, and in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to change the model to GPT-03. And then you're going to put in this exact prompt and click enter. This will give you a full psychographic profile for your target customer. By the end of this step, you're going to understand your audience better than 99% of other sellers. In fact, you may know this audience better than this audience knows themselves at this point. So now that we know our niche inside and out, you're then going to ask ChatGPT to generate a list of 20 to 30 design concepts and make sure that they are emotionally driven. This could be funny, heartfelt, empowering, hyper relatable, or even super frustrating. These aren't designs yet. These are just our ideas. They are raw hooks that will make people in this niche feel seen. And to make this even easier, I have built a complete Excalibur board that walks you through exactly how to generate these concepts. So if you want access to that, join my free school community that's linked in the description below. Inside my school community, you'll get access to the full Excalibur board where you can have access to all the prompts that we're talking about, as well as 51 hours of free Shopify print-on-demand training, tools, and resources to help you get your first 100 sales as quickly as possible. So now that we have all of our concepts, that leads us to step number 3. But before we go and design anything, we need to find what's already working in our niche. Now, I'm not saying go out there and find designs that we can copy and paste. I'm talking more design styles. We want to search Etsy, TikTok, Instagram, as well as Google, Pinterest, really anything that is trending within our niche. We want to screenshot those designs of what is resonating with those buyers. And then we can use a tool like mysticpod.com or even ChatGPT and drop those inspiration images into the chat and combine them with our emotional concept. Now, the results are going to be these high converting designs that blend proven visuals, aka the styles that we just went out and found, with fresh emotional hooks. These are going to be the designs that stop somebody from scrolling on Facebook and wanting to click our ad. So once we've taken those concepts, turned them into designs, the next step is uploading to Printify and then syncing to Shopify. So once our designs are done, we are going to then upload them to Printify. This is step number 4 of the process. Printify is going to connect you with hundreds of print providers around the world. They will handle the production, the printing, the fulfillment, and even the shipping to your customer. Now, I've been using Printify since I started my print-on-demand journey back in 2020, and they have helped me fulfill thousands of orders for my brands. They offer one of the largest product selections in the entire print-on-demand space, and their platform integrates directly with Shopify and Etsy. Not only that, but Printify consistently beats out all the other print-on-demand companies on pricing, which means better profit margins for you from apparel and accessories to home decor and more. You can diversify your store without ever touching a single piece of inventory. So click the link in the description below to get started and use the code WeScale to get 1 month of Printify Premium for free. By using that code, you'll be able to get 20% off the product cost. And the beautiful part about putting everything on Printify is it integrates completely with Shopify. So all you have to do is click publish, your products will sync to Shopify, and then we're pretty much ready to go and run ads, which is perfect, leading us into step number 5. And this is where we turn on the sales. Instead of guessing which designs will work, we will simply run a Facebook catalog ad. It's going to auto test all of our designs in real time. We can start with a simple budget of $20 to $25 per day and just run it over the weekend, typically a Thursday through Sunday. By Monday, you can turn off your ads and you'll know which designs that people clicked and maybe even purchased from. We're going to kill what doesn't work, and then we're going to start scaling what does. And the designs that got clicked, we can go back and design more designs that are similar to that, either the style or the concept. Now, this is how I got my first 100 sales in just 9 days. It's fast, smart, and data driven, so you're not stuck guessing. So there you have it. Those are the 5 steps to get your first 100 print-on-demand sales so fast that it almost feels illegal. These aren't fluff tactics. They are the exact strategies that I use every time I launch a new brand. So if you want help implementing these, check out the resources in my free school community that's linked in the description below. And if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more print-on-demand strategies. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.